Konkani language for the promotion, I will do the maximum because it is the mandate of the Constitution. Constitution in 1956 there is an amendment, and because of that amendment, mother tongue should be given the first priority. So that is why I am also promoting as the Chancellor of the University. I have given direction. No, the University I have given direction to start centers in other places.
Okay, sir.
In Karnataka and Kerala, Konkani speaking people are there. For them, this language has to be promoted, and Konkani is an ancient language and a beautiful language, and the promotion of that language is the need of the hour. After the selection, over the last 2 months, I have stopped writing to. Again, I started today here, after some other consultancy. Within 6 months, God permits me, I will complete the tour in all panchayats. Mauvin ji, I like him very much because he is not confined to your constituency or your state. You can proudly say your MLA, your representative is an important dynamic leader of the country as well.
Really a great encouragement that the number one person of a state comes and encourages the newly elected panchayat members coming down to the grassroots level. I think it augurs very well for a functional democracy.